Alright guys, today is the day. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and tackle the exhaust manifold. Should be able to come off pretty easily. I've been spraying PB Blaster, as you guys know, but let's see what happens. Lucky number 14. I switched to good old 1/2 inch because that 3/8 ratchet was not doing anything. Good old Snap-on right here. Buddy, let me tell you. Snap-on, sponsor us, man. We need more tools. One nut down, 20 more to go. Rest in peace, vacuum line. See, this is nice. We have 2 people working on this, so.
We could have 3. He's missing an action.
Yeah.
I think he said he was gonna go shopping.
Damn, he better be go buy me more parts. You think so?
Nah.
Alright guys, pro builds. Got the whole front bumper off.
Bye-bye, bumper.
Bye-bye, baby car.
What the heck is this? Holy shit.
I guess that's the only safety you have with the Miata.
Bro, if you take this off, I bet you could shed at least 1,500 pounds.
Dude, why does it look better without that bumper? We don't need that.
So much space.
So much space for all that intercooler piping. Alright guys, we're test fitting right now the new bumper for the NB Miata. And man, it looks 10 times better. Compared to this one, dude, this looks great. I can't believe it literally changed. You know what it looks like now? It almost looks like an RX-7. Alright guys, we got all the header nuts off. Now we got to go underneath and disconnect it from the bottom, the exhaust. But this is coming along, guys. We're getting ready to drop that exhaust. Man, I am excited. We test fitted the new bumper. We got quite a bit of things going on, so. Alright guys, we got it lifted up, jacked up. Now it's time to tackle that exhaust underneath. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's go ahead and get it done. Alright guys, as you can see, header's coming off. Yeah, literally unbolted. It is loose. We got it loose underneath. Right now it's just fighting us because, you know, everything fights us. Let me tell you guys, I gotta take a shit. No, it's fine.
No fucking up my toilet.
Alright guys, we got the intake off where the throttle body is. Right now we're trying to remove the headers.
These are some long motherfuckers right
Yeah.
here. How the fuck does kid put this in here?
Probably fished it through the bottom maybe, right?
Is it the easiest through the bottom?
Look at that.
What?
It has to come out through the top.
I think we're gonna have to remove the steering shaft. Have to remove that, and then we can make some more space because it's literally just banging on here.
Yeah.
When I'm trying to pull up.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, headers are coming off.
Look at this massive motherfucker. Dang. That bitch ran in there deep. Hey, I bet you motherfuckers can't say that. I know I can.
What do you think? That was all one header, or they welded it?
Check this bitch out, bro. Look at that.
Jesus.
Check out the size of that pipe.
Oh man.
Yo, hit my boy up. He's gonna be selling some headers right here.
Let me know, guys. 99, all the 1.8 Miata headers. Let me know, guys. It's gonna be for sale. All right, guys. It is time to get into this parts area that we have for all the turbo parts, and to find that exhaust manifold. Came with a gasket. This ain't no tubular manifold, guys. Sorry, I'm broke. This is all I can afford right now, cast iron. But hey, where's your turbo Miata? Alright guys, I'm about 40k into this car. All my life savings have gone into this. Please help out and subscribe. That's the only way. That's the only way, bro. Alright guys, we're getting out the most important thing right here. Damn! Look at this beauty. This thing is nice. So right now we gotta figure out how to clock the turbo. We just watched the video. You could loosen these bolts right here, and this whole turbine housing is able to shift, so we're not hitting this frame.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is, this is for the AC clutch. I am gonna extend this wire and probably loop it around to the back and connect it right here. And we are gonna drill right through here. This has gotta go bye-bye, no more, adios.
3 days later.
Hello? You got a hole.
What?
Hello?
Where'd this come from?
I hope the pipe fits through. Dang. It does fit. Should we go in this angle? Like this? Basically, we just have to figure it out.
Alright guys, so far we figured out that at least on the intake manifold side, we're going to be running it sort of like this. Still figuring out, mocking everything up. We already drilled the holes, as you can see. And right now, I'm about to place an order. Type RS blowout valve flange. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Basically, on this blowout valve, it's supposed to have the pipe already, as you can see, welded already on there. This just came separately in the box that we got with all the piping. There's literally nothing. Alright guys, it has been a couple days, and let me tell you, we are so excited to tell you guys that it's almost done. Just kidding, not really. Shout out to Pro Builds for cleaning this up right here. This was pretty nasty and dirty, as well as, of course, making the custom brackets for the intercooler. I am so glad we were able to figure this out. Glad that Pro Builds is able to custom make a lot of parts, pretty much almost anything for vehicles. We got in the part for the blowout valve, the flange, was what I was talking about before. I think we need to start working on where to mount the oil cooler. And here it is. This thing looks nice, ready to go. Oh, I mean, we could just run it right here.
These lines might be too long. They're probably gonna have to get trimmed, because you know they're gonna be like dragging on the floor.
Yeah.
Look at this. I think some duct tape, Cuban bread, and some pan con bistec.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's all we need. Alright guys, so I think that's gonna wrap up for today's video. We got quite a bit done, honestly. A lot more than I expected. We at least figured out how to clock the turbo. We mounted the turbo exactly kind of where we want it. We got all the piping down, all the elbows. We're still actually missing 2 elbows that come tomorrow. We got the intercooler mounted up with the custom bracket. Shout out to Pro Builds. It's down there. We got this side with the intercooler piping down to the throttle body. We got a lot done, and of course we still got plenty of parts back here to put on. So tomorrow's another day. We're gonna be working on it again. And again, guys, if you guys enjoy what you guys are seeing, please make sure you guys are giving me a like. Comment down below if anything I need to change anything, and of course subscribe if you guys are new, because this thing is a new journey for all of us, and I am so excited to have you guys a part of this journey. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Thank you.